This video explains how to export memos from the ID scanner from the Mac to Excel. Takes about 4 minutes, requires a Mac with the Palm desktop installed already. And first thing you do is launch the Palm desktop. This assumes you've already hot synced the scanner. So after opening the Palm desktop, select the hot sync username. This needs to match the name of the user that was just sunk. After opening the Palm desktop, you're going to see the memos on the screen, and the memos should match the memos that are in the scanner just hot sync. Next, select the CardVisor category from the category pull down. After selecting that, you'll notice just CardVisor memos will show up on the memo area. Then go to Edit, select all. They'll all highlight, so they're all turned blue. After that, you go to the File menu item and select Export. The export box will launch, and from there you're going to enter an export name and an export destination. So enter a name here. I enter something like export data, and I pen the date and time, and I make sure it ends with CSV, which means comma separated value file. I set the desktop as the destination. In the format area, I select tab and return. And then in custom, you want to deselect everything and leave only title and body selected. So uncheck everything, leave title and body selected. Then just once more look at your work, make sure you got a file name. Again, I'm sending it to the desktop, but you could put it somewhere else. Then make sure you got tab and return and just body and title. Click on the export button. You'll see a temporary screen pop up, and the file should be created now on the desktop. So it's time to close the Palm desktop. And typically, if the CSV extension is on the file, when you click on it, it'll automatically launch Excel. So find the file here. It's up in the top right hand corner of the screen. Click on it, and that should launch the Palm desktop. The first thing that'll happen when it launches is it will launch what's called the import wizard. Again, that's due to the CSV extension on the file name, so it's very important to have that in an earlier step. What you want to do at this point is uncheck comma and then move over to the box called Other at this point. Look at the data preview here. See how the data is all strung together? And select the Other box and enter the caret symbol, which is above this number 6 on the keyboard. You'll notice in the data preview box the data just changed. Basically, by using the caret symbol, everything will align, the columns will align to the caret symbol. Click on the OK button. Excel will open up. You'll see all the data in Excel. Now we get this weird memo at the top here, so I'm just going to delete that and then reformat it, reformat the column width here in Excel so I can see the rest of the data. So I'm just going to adjust I'm going to select the entire worksheet here, select the column width, enter a value of like 1 inch, and I'll be able to view all the data because the columns here are extremely wide. After I do that, there are probably other ways to do this, but after I do that, I'll be able to verify the data in Excel. I want to make sure that the names that I see here and the dates and times in Excel match up with what was shown earlier. Then now we're going to delete the data on the Palm desktop. So again, launch the Palm desktop, select the same hotsync username that you exported under. All the memos will select the memo item, and all the memos will appear. Now we want to make sure the category is set to all. We don't want just the CardVisor category, but we want all the memos to show up. So we select the category, set it to all, and then we're going to select all the memos and delete them. We do that by going to, here we're still selecting the category. We go to Edit, select all. They'll all highlight blue. Then we go, we can either hit the delete key, or we can go again to Edit, and delete will be highlighted. After we do that, we hit delete and the data will be gone. And finally, after we've done that, we do one more hot sync with the same scanner, and what that will do is delete the data from the scanner, and you'll be ready to get more data at this point, and you've got your data in Excel. And that's it.